Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's my Monday weigh-in. I weighed 211, so I lost 2 pounds from last Monday. And I'm doing good. I'm just keep chugging forward, I had some couple things that probably stopped my ketosis process during the paleo diet. I'm not doing a keto diet, I'm doing a paleo diet, but a paleo diet does put you in ketosis. But there's some, mess ups. We got some salmon that was already marinated, and once I took a bite, I didn't realize it had sugar in it, but I ate it. Couple gummies that were sugar I took that were the relaxing kind of gummies throughout the week, stuff like that. But I still lost 2 pounds. I'm still doing really good, and I'm really proud of myself, and I'm feeling better and better. So 211 now, 2 pounds. Here's the pictures.
It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free.